Ho, ho, ho! Hello, young man. I'm Santa Dave Smith Claus. What would you like for Christmas?
Well, Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho! I'm Santa Dave Smith Claus from the North Pole in Massachusetts. Now, what would you like for Christmas?
Well, Santa Dave Smith Claus, I would like...
Ho, ho, ho! Would you like a Factory 5 racing brochure?
No, Santa Dave Smith Claus. You sent me like 100 of those when I got my Roadster. What I would like is...
Ho, ho, ho! Would you like a build manual?
No. Got one.
Digital version? Would you like some Factory 5 racing badges? Steering wheel? Polished stainless steel side pipes? Willwood brake upgrade?
No.
IRS?
No.
How about some dumbbells so you can get ripped guns like me, Santa Dave Smith Claus?
No, Santa Dave Smith Claus. I don't need those things. What I would like for Christmas are some items from my back order list. Namely, front lower control arms, coilover shocks, steering rack with tie rod ends, radiator, rims and tires.
Ho, ho, ho! Well, young man, Santa Dave Smith Claus and the elves at the North Pole in Massachusetts have been working very hard to fill those orders. You see, half the elves have COVID and the other half want to work from home.
Oh, well, is Dan still there?
Ho, ho, ho! You mean Dan, the Pro Chevy LS guy?
Yeah.
Yes, but nobody talks to him except Rudolph.
Oh. Well, he did a good job with the build videos.
Hey babe, any packages show up today, maybe from FedEx?
More packages? Are you kidding me? How much is all this costing?
Okay, love you. Good talk.
I want to wish everyone at Factory 5 Racing happy holidays and thank them for all the hard work with all of the back orders. Since my kit delivery, I've received several back order shipments, and I know that more are on the way. It makes for a nice Christmas. Thank you.